Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to update your relationship status on Facebook to in a relationship. Whether you're celebrating a new connection or simply want to keep your profile current, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. You'll see a familiar interface, but don't worry, we'll navigate through it quickly. Look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. These lines represent the menu, so tap on them to open it up. Once you're in the menu, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down and tap on Your Profile. This will take you directly to your Facebook profile page where you can manage all your personal details. Now, tap the Edit Profile button. This is where you can customize your profile information, including your relationship status. Scroll down to the Details section and tap on Edit. Here, you'll find various fields that you can update, but we're focusing on your relationship status. Under the Relationship section, you'll see an edit icon that looks like a pencil. Tap on this pencil icon next to your current relationship status. A list of options will appear, allowing you to choose from several statuses. Select In a Relationship from the list. If you want to add your partner's name, you can do so by typing their name in the provided field. However, this step is optional, so feel free to skip it if you prefer. Finally, tap Save to update your relationship status. Your profile will now reflect that you're in a relationship, and you can choose to keep this information private or share it with friends and family by adjusting the privacy settings. That's it. You've successfully updated your relationship status on Facebook. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in keeping your Facebook profile up to date.